Welcome. If you want to keep your Instagram account private but you're using Instagram on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you step by step how to make your account private using the latest Instagram update on the desktop app. This quick guide will help you control who can see your posts and stories, so only approved followers get access. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Find the one labeled More. It's usually at the bottom of the menu, represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on it to open a list of more options. Next, from the list that appears, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage everything about your Instagram experience. On this page, look for the section called Account Privacy. Click on it, and you'll see options related to your account's visibility and privacy. Now, here's the important part. You'll see an option labeled Private Account. There should be a toggle switch right next to it. If the switch is gray, your account is currently public, which means anyone can see your posts, stories, and followers. To make your account private, simply click the toggle. It will turn blue, signaling that your account is now private. Once you've enabled this setting, only people who follow you and who you approve will be able to see your posts and stories. Anyone who isn't following you will need to send a follow request, which you can accept or decline. And that's it. You've successfully made your Instagram account private using the PC app with the latest update. This is a great way to take control of your online presence and ensure your content is only shared with people you trust. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips on keeping your social media account secure. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.